Alright guys, today I will be doing a bomb right in front of this Lego pirate ship in this pool to try and sink the thing completely, knock it over, or even just sink a few of the pirates. Here we go. It has stability things because it will not stay up alone, so they are going to act as stabilizers in the waves to hopefully give us a bit more of a real effect without it tippling over in any kind of ripple. Alright? So, the pirate ship will be placed here. I will be running from over here. I will then leap forward and land just before it. Will have multiple cameras capturing all angles in the attempt to give you the best video. Okay, the test is complete. It floats, it will not tip over, and those stabilizers are acting quite well. Here we go.